G'day guys, this is Rob from Icebox Auto here. I'm just going to show you today's install, which we've done on a Vauxhall Corsa, but it will fit quite a lot of the Vauxhall. So if you are from abroad, the Opel, any of the systems that I've got a CD30 radio in at the moment, it can go up to the other ones, but if your car's got original navies, then I wouldn't touch it. So basically this one today is our RBT 5312 model, which is an Android 10. Now if you look in, the website's going to show 11 because we're just about to increase the Android version on this to 11, so all products on our site will be 11, so forget what I said before, so let's crack on. So this one's an Android system which comes with built-in CarPlay and Android Auto, but this is an optional extra which you can add from the sale page for £30 more, but for the purpose of the video I've set it up today already just to show you what it looks like. Bringing a lot of applications from my phone over to here, including my DAB radio, my WhatsApp, my music app, and also podcasts and stuff like that. It'll also show your Apple Maps and also Google Maps or any maps of choice that are on your phone already. So nice little feature there. Also, because it's an Apple platform, you're allowed to interact with it by saying hey Siri, and it'll basically do whatever you want. Well, not everything, it will cook your tea, nothing, but it'll do most things. So I'll just go back to the car setting. So this one here is the Bluetooth menu, which you can see is set up with my phone here, but this is the main interface here. I'll just show you one thing before I crack on. We put a rear camera in today, so as you can see the camera comes up in the background here. Also it'll work with the steering wheel controls, as you can see. I'll change the volume and stuff like that. So this is the home page. As I say, these icons here are movable if you wanted to do that, if you wanted to customize it and stick your preferred apps that you use on there more than anything else. So here's your navigation here. This comes with a map brand which the factory put it on for you, but we don't sell it with it, but you can change it to Google Maps or any other maps that you've downloaded onto the system. I'll just show you how to do that, 1 second. So any maps you download to the system will show up in, oh sorry, 1 second, my fat fingers, will show up in here, and then you can just assign any map to the Navi icon here on the home page. So if I was to do that, it's basically putting it over to Google Maps. So if I've done that, as you can see now, if I press that, the Google Maps now work. This is an online map, by the way, so obviously you will need data connection with your phone to use it. But as I say, if you've got CarPlay or Android Auto, you can connect it through the Bluetooth and use through this app here, which is obviously your CarPlay one. As I say, it's an easier connecting to CarPlay through Bluetooth than it is to Android hotspot settings. So let's go back to here. This is your radio interface. It has got RDS, so you'll see the radio station name here. Also, if you excuse me, it'll just obviously, because obviously we just tuned it in, as you can see the station names are all popping up here, BBC2. If it's not got a strong enough signal, you'll find the station name won't pop up, so all we need to do is just do a fresh search. Okay, Bluetooth, oh sorry, I've just been into that one there. Here's some applications on this side here. So you got your Bluetooth music, which is the music streaming, file browser, which is just basically shows you back on memory and being able to upload applications from USB stuff. DVR camera we haven't installed today because the customer didn't request it. AV in, you can put TV boxes to the system here. If you want to go in through the AV, gallery, clock, wheel study. This is for steering wheel controls, but it's all preset on this car because it comes with a CAN bus box and it's all done through that. So amplifier here. This obviously shows you where you can customize a little bit the sound output. You can add the DSP sound processors to this by clicking on the option in the sale page, and that'll give you a lot more scope in terms of being able to fine tune each speaker. But have a little look into our sales page. There's a description link in there to show you what it's all about. Calculator I'm not going to go into. This is the Chinese map we were talking about, which we don't really sell with. APK installer, which basically just upload applications onto a calendar. DVD, okay, this is here. So you get like a DVD insert here, which obviously takes CDs and DVDs, so you can play movies on it as well as your music discs. Chrome's a browser, Gmail's obviously your mail, Google's a browser, Google Maps, Play Store. Okay, so just because it's an Android system, it doesn't mean you can't use iPhone with it. Android's only the operating system where you download apps to. Android, as I say, is just the system itself. So obviously if iPhone works perfectly well with it in Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, music streaming, and in some cases mirror link. Okay, so we've got your YouTube app here, which is basically, as everyone knows what YouTube is because you're probably watching this video on it. DAB radio, customer hasn't gone for that today. Video obviously plays videos from USB or SD. F-Cam is another front camera application. Music app, and this console setting here, which everyone always asks about, is basically where you will control this clock up here, and you get into a lot of the settings, which let me just find out what the settings. To be honest with you, I'm not familiar with this because I haven't had really a go on this, but if I press settings icon there and the ST, okay, or there, so me, I'll be truthful with you, I've not really had to go with this before, but obviously this option here will change things around on the dash. Obviously you'll be more familiar than it than I will, but as I say, this one allows you to control the option at the top, the little LCD screen, which is obviously would be controlled through the original radio. Okay, nice 6-minute video for you there. So obviously, hopefully I've basically covered all angles in the sense of questions on this, but if you've got any that I haven't addressed in this video, drop us a little message down below, or get in touch with us on the contact details. Go to our website www.iceboxauto.com and get on our live chat and speak to one of our team members. Okay, thanks a lot. I'll speak to you soon.